Apple just dropped a truckload of shiny gadgets, and I know you don't have an hour to sit through their cinematic drone shots. Here's everything you need to know about the Apple event. So buckle up, grab your wallets, and maybe your kidneys too, because it's Apple. First up on the list is the iPhone 17 Pro. Apple says it's the most powerful iPhone ever. Shocking, isn't it? I know for a reason they have never said it before. This one is rocking the new A19 Pro chip, and a display so good, it's basically looking into the future. And a tougher ceramic shield too, that may or may not survive your butterfing. Oh, and all the three rear cameras, they are now 48 megapixels. As per the front camera, they have introduced the new center stage. So now, you can look cinematic even when crying on the FaceTime. Oh, and it comes in the new color, and the color's name is Cosmic Orange. Yep, it looks like a Fanta now. And then Apple decided, what if iPhone went on uptight? I would say it's not that good. Introducing the iPhone Air. Somehow it is the thinnest iPhone ever made and still rocking the A19 Pro chip. Basically it is like the supermodel phone that still lifts up the weight in the jet. It's got a 48 megapixel fusion camera, ceramic shield too, and comes in sky blue. Apple says it's durable, but let's be honest, it is thin enough to double as a bookmark. Next up in the list is the regular iPhone 17. This is the I just want an iPhone without selling my soul option. It now has the ProMotion 120Hz display, the ceramic shield too, and the fusion camera. Basically, Apple just gave the regular model the gym membership and let it glow up a bit. Oh, and you can get it in some fresh new colors like lavender, mist blue, and sage. Perfect for when you want to match your phone with the room's lighting. Moving on to the ears, the AirPods Pro 3. These now come with the heart rate sensing, because apparently your headphones needs to know how stressed you are when you are listening to that sad song on the Spotify. They've also got live translation. Now you can finally pretend you know French while ordering croissant, croissant, croissant? Yeah, something like that. Now the battery life is up to 8 hours. They still have the best ANC in the market, and they are now your personal trainer, your new therapist, and travel guide all in one. Next up, we have the Apple Watch Series 11. Apple calls it the ultimate health watch. It gives you a sleep score so that you can wake up and get judged instantly. It also has new workout buddy feature, which cheers you on when you are sweating through your burpees. And the battery goes up to 24 hours, which is great, unless you are the Apple Watch fan. Speaking of, for the budget squad, there is the new Apple Watch SE3. This one finally has sleep tracking, vitals app, and faster charging. Also, the always on display. You get 80% of the Apple Watch experience for a lot less cash. It is the one you buy when you want to be in the ecosystem and still eat food for the month. And finally, the beast, Apple Watch Ultra 3. Multi-day battery life, the largest and the brightest display, dual frequency GPS, and 5G built-in. It is designed for adventurers and marathon runners, and people who enjoy flexing their wrist on Starbucks. Basically, if the FE is the budget watch, this one is, do you even climb the mountains? So that's the new Apple lineup. 3 new phones, 3 new watches, and the new AirPods. Apple wants your wrist, your ears, your pockets, and maybe your entire life savings. Which one would you buy? Or are you sticking with the phone that survived 3 drops, 2 cracks, and 1 accidental swim? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, hit the bell, and subscribe. Otherwise, Siri might just ignore your next Hey Siri. You're watching Talk Techie with Avi. I'll see you in the next one. Pew pew pew!